Did you know that only around 2,750 individuals in the world have achieved billionaire status to date? And over 55% of them are self-made billionaires, meaning they didn't inherit their fortune from their families. It's not simple to achieve this rank because it demands a great deal of hard effort, devotion, patience, and other qualities. Let's take a look at the top 10 steps to becoming a billionaire. Hello guys, and welcome to Luxury Society. Number 10, obsess over your accomplishments. Success isn't just a pipe dream for the typical billionaire. It's not only something you fantasize about at night or hope to discover someday in the far future. Success is an obsession in the psyche of a billionaire. It's something you're always working on, always thinking about, and always making sacrifices for. That's why billionaires achieve their success by devoting themselves to something they genuinely enjoy and are enthusiastic about. Number 9, find something that excites and inspires you. Successful billionaires don't mind working on weekends and holidays because they aren't only working for the weekend. They're creating something they're passionate about. It means you should find something that excites and inspires you every day. Then you go after your dream with everything you've got. You have no doubts about yourself. You don't hold yourself back and you don't think you'll fail. So dive in deep and obsess over your passions until your dreams come true. Number 8, take risks that might pay off. You have to take a chance and show the world something it has never seen before. That's why numerous billionaires owe their success to their minds rather than their cash. Success, they say, begins with creativity. They notice a void in the world, something people were missing, a need that wasn't being met, and they transformed that simple observation into an idea, a product, and eventually a business. Number 7, the ability to reinvent yourself. Many wannabe billionaires seek success by imitating their idols. That makes sense. You want to follow in the footsteps of those who have inspired you, don't you? You want to learn from their accomplishments as well as their failures. That can be really beneficial in your path to success, but you can't spend your entire career imitating others. You must eventually venture out on your own. Number 6, improve communication. If you're searching for something new to try, the realm of communication is a terrific place to start because it'll never ever go out of style. People will always be on the lookout for new methods to connect, form stronger bonds, and become more involved in one another's lives. That's why technology and social media have benefited many of the world's wealthiest billionaires. Number 5, put together a team. Nobody can become a billionaire by themselves. You could have a brilliant idea. You might be motivated and passionate about pursuing your dream, but there's only so much a single person can do. That's why assembling a team of people is critical, a team that not only supports you but also complements each other's talents. Number 4, find solution to a demanding problem. Many young entrepreneurs waste too much time pondering ideas instead of asking themselves one simple question: do consumers want this? To succeed, you must produce something that others enjoy, and that makes your life easier, faster, and more enjoyable. That's why many successful people advocate putting their clients first. Don't think about money when you identify or reinvent your specialty. Consider your potential client. Place yourself in their place and ask yourself, why would I want this? Number 3, always move forward. There's one thing that every billionaire has in common. They're relentless in their efforts. They didn't give up after their first business failed. They launched their business once again, and when they were on the verge of going bankrupt, they didn't give up. In fact, they came up with novel techniques to increase sales. Billionaires, whether they have $1 or $1 billion in their bank accounts, never stop pushing forward because success doesn't last forever. Number 2, constantly educate yourself. Books, interviews, films, case studies, analyzing other people's enterprises, analyzing how other successful people behave, and then replicating what you've learned is what billionaires do. Take your education seriously and invest in books, audiobooks, and anything else that can help you expand your knowledge. The sooner you can develop abilities in your inner portfolio, the sooner you'll be able to use them to propel your career forward. Number 1, safeguard your assets. Assuming that everything has gone according to plan, you're now raking in cash. It's time to start taking money out and securing your fortune because your company's shares are worth a lot of money. You're trendy and people look up to you. Invest in what you're familiar with. Long-term investments include land, real estate, art, and stock in other companies. When your liquid assets exceed $1 billion, you've officially become a billionaire. Which point out of the list would you start with? Write your views in the section below. With that being said, do drop this video a like, subscribe to Luxury Society, and push the bell icon. See you soon.